Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your VPN Net account is active and you have the username and password available. Once done, pick the device you will install on, Windows, Mac OS, Android, or iOS, and update the operating system so the client installs cleanly. Make sure your regular internet connection works and disable any other VPN or proxy software that can conflict. Finally, decide which server region you need, because that choice shapes speed and access. You now install the official VPN Net application and sign in with your credentials, granting only the permissions it requires. Next, choose a protocol, UDP for speed, TCP for stability, or WireGuard for modern balance of both. Make that selection in settings and save it. Then pick a server in the region you need and run a quick speed test to compare latency and throughput. If it's slow, try a nearby city or a less crowded server until performance matches your needs. You finish by enabling safety features. Turn on the kill switch and set auto-connect for public Wi-Fi so your traffic never leaks. Once connected, verify your IP and DNS using a leak test. If the wrong location still shows, clear browser cache and recheck. If connection fails or speeds are poor, restart the app and try another protocol or server. Finally, collect the app logs and contact VPN Net support if problems persist. They can diagnose routing or authentication issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.